morning, dear students. In our last class, we have seen the ethnic composition of Belgium. Now we are going to compare the same situation with another country that's name is Sri Lanka. Geographical condition of Sri Lanka, you are knowing that it is an island country and nearest state is Tamil Nadu. Here in Sri Lanka, 2 crore peoples are living there, means population is 2 crore. That is same as the population of our state Haryana. We have seen that in Belgium, half of the Haryana population is there, but here equal population is there. So in South Asia, South Asian countries means India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. These are the South Asian countries. In these countries, lot of diversity is there. Diverse peoples are living there. Population is so much diverse. Here in Sri Lanka also so much diversity is there. The majority social groups are Sinhala speaking people. Sinhala is a language. Two main languages are there. One is Sinhala, second one is Tamil. 74% peoples are Sinhala speaking people and 18% peoples are speaking the Tamil language. It is quite clear that who is in majority? Sinhala speaking peoples. It is the great majority. Now among Tamil peoples also there are the two subgroups who are the native of the Sri Lanka, means whose grandfather, forefather all are living in Sri Lanka only. They are telling themselves the Sri Lankan Tamils. What they are telling? Sri Lankan Tamils. In 18%, it is 13% who are the Sri Lankan Tamils. The rest means how much? 13 is that one, means nearly 5%. Nearly 5% other Tamil speaking peoples, their forefathers and other peoples, they gone from India and settled in Sri Lanka. They are known as Indian Tamil. One thing, we are knowing that India is the colony of Britain. At the same time, Sri Lanka is also the colony of Britain. So what is happening? British, they are taking the Indian peoples to Sri Lanka as a worker, because in Sri Lanka there are the tea gardens and coffee gardens. Tea and coffee gardens are there. In that one, plantation work is going on. Owners are the Britishers and they are taking the Indian Tamil peoples as a worker in their plantation, tea plantation areas. So they gone there, they settled there. After that their son came, their son's son came, and they become the citizen of Sri Lanka. But still they are facing the problem. So in Sri Lanka's ethnic composition, two main points we are getting. First point, there are two groups of language speakers. One is the Sinhala, second one is the Tamil. How much percentage? 74% Sinhala speaking peoples are there and 18% Tamil speaking peoples are there. In Tamil speaking peoples also, 13% peoples are Sri Lankan Tamils and 5% people are Indian Tamils. Now we will focus on here in this map. We are getting, this is the yellow color. This yellow color region, this is the Sinhala speaking peoples. Then Sri Lankan Tamil speaking peoples, this one. Then Indian Tamil peoples, they are scattered. Something concentrated here, others are scattered here. So this is the situation here that they are explaining. What they are telling? Sri Lankan Tamils are concentrated in the north and east of the country. Northern part, here in northern part and eastern part of the country, Sri Lankan Tamils are concentrated. Most of the Sinhala speaking peoples are. What about their religion? In Sri Lanka, three dominant religions are there: Buddhism, Hinduism, Muslim, and another one is there, Christianity. So maximum Sinhala speaking peoples, they are the Buddhist one. They are the followers of Buddhism. And maximum Tamil speaking peoples, either they are Hindu or they are Muslim. And somewhat 7% peoples are Christian. Some people are there who are following the Christian community. Either they are the Tamil speaking or Sinhala speaking. It is clear? Now coming to next one. So at least ethnic composition of Sri Lanka, that is also important question, that why I am focusing more. First point, ethnic composition of Belgium. We have covered in last video, that already in YouTube channel you can see that one. Second one question is ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. In this way also 3 main points we are getting. First one, in Sri Lanka's population is 2 crore. It is quite equal to the Haryana's population, that is Indian state. In Sri Lanka, 74% people are speaking Sinhala language and 18% people are speaking Tamil language. In this 18%, there are 2 groups. 13% are Sri Lankan Tamils and 5% are Indian Tamils. Then second one, Sri Lankan Tamils are concentrated on northern and eastern part of the country. Then next, Sinhala speaking peoples are Buddhist, and most of the Tamils are either Hindu or Muslim. 7% people are Christian, either they are speaking the Tamil or Sinhala. Some are speaking Tamil, some are Sinhala. Clear? So this is the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. Now same question is there. Here also one group is dominating, majority is there, Sinhala speaking, Tamils are minority. What is the tension here? It may be happen that who are more in number, they will start dominating on others who are in minority. Same problem as like Dutch community and French community, that is in Belgium. Dutch are dominating, they are having the advantage. So same way here also it may be the problem. Very massive partition of the country, both the sides should claim control over Brussels, that is in between Dutch and French. Both are trying to control on Brussels, that is the capital. Whole country they are trying to dominate. Here same thing, Sinhala community enjoyed an even bigger majority. We have seen their majority is not so big, but here in Sri Lanka ratio is 74 and 18, means so big majority is here. So it can also impose its own will on the entire country, means Sinhala speaking people, they can dominate on Tamil speaking people. Now in both countries what is happening? Here we are going to see that story. In Brussels, how they are accommodating, means how Brussels is solving this problem and how Sri Lanka is solving this problem. then what is happening, and after that we will get the conclusion what is the best way to solve these type of problems. Okay, we will see the next lecture after that. Thank you.